6:30 in the evening time in the weather, magician with PJ Wiggins, the evening report. Thursday, July 4th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 6:30 p.m. in North Massachusetts. At 6:30 p.m. temperature it's 87 degrees with humidity 65%. Wind speed southwest about 9 miles per hour. Barometer 3.12 inches. 2.74 degrees. Visibility 10 miles and a heat index of 95 degrees. Alright. What about? Alright, radar scope grand region shows a couple of rain showers and thunderstorms in northeast of Vermont, stretching into northern New Hampshire and stretching into western Maine. And a couple of blob of showers east of Syracuse, stretching into the 7th New York, and a couple of blob of showers stretching out to west of Harrisburg, stretching out at altitude, and into Pittsburgh, and into Ohio, and to West Virginia, and to Western Virginia.
Good evening. We begin tonight with that crisis boiling over in Egypt.
And a couple of line of showers and thunderstorms from southern Indiana stretching down to central Kentucky and Tennessee and down to eastern Alabama and into Georgia and down into western Florida, down in the Gulf of Mexico. And a couple of little rain showers in southeast Oklahoma stretching down into northwest Arkansas, down at southern Missouri and central Missouri. Here.
On one side. On the other side, anger.
And the west, a couple of line of showers and teaspoons from South Dakota down in Nebraska.
National security.
And a couple of popcorn clusters, showers, that's what's fun. Best within the four quarters.
Big question tonight.
Region from Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and Mexico, stretching down Wyoming and Idaho and Montana. And a couple of rain showers in central Nevada, down in northwestern Nevada, northwestern Nevada, and the southeastern Oregon and southwestern Idaho. Alright. We are still under a heat advisory in effect until July 4th. As high temperatures on Friday will reach well into the 90s across most locations. This combined with humid conditions will result in heat index values near 100 degrees Friday afternoon in the early evening hours. Its location of the heat advisory eastern Massachusetts away from the immediate south coast. Heat index values will remain close to 100 degrees into the early evening hours. High temperatures on Friday will once again reach well into the 90s. This will result in the heat index values club to near 100 degrees by Friday afternoon. Sabbath. The western heat and humidity will occur into the early this evening. They'll get between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Friday. If at persons outdoors for prolonged periods of time on Independence Day could be more successful heat illness. Drink plenty of fluids and stay out of the sun when possible.
Have also been rounded up. 300.
A precautionary preparedness actions that heat.
Since Sunday, clashes between Morsi supporters and opponents have left around 50 people dead.
A virus means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Avoid prolonged work in the set of poorly ventilated areas. To drink plain fluids and stay in an air-conditioned environment, stay out of the sun. And checking on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside when possible. Reschedule strenuous activities or early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk to outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduled frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Everyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
$1.6 billion a year from the U.S. Washington is hoping that cash can help avoid an all-out civil war. Today, Defense Secretary Hagel called Egypt's military chief.
Hazardous area, day 1 this afternoon and tonight.
Egypt is looking.
Heat advisory for this afternoon and tonight, and days 2 through 7 for Wednesday. Heat advisory throughout the weekend. High temperatures may reach in the 90s during the afternoon with heat index may reach near or above 100 degrees. Heat advisory may be necessary.
President against the military.
Alright, 7-day forecast goes like this. For tonight, forecast got the low and 71 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour becoming light. Friday, most of the sites got high near 96 degrees. Heat index found as high as 101 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, patchy fog after 5 a.m. Otherwise, pop clouds got a little low and 70 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour, becoming light after midnight. Saturday, it's slight chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Some of the storms produce every rain. Patchy fog before 8 a.m. Otherwise, most of the sites got high near 95 degrees. Heat index values as 100. West wind about 7 to 13 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 20%. For Saturday night, part car will lower at 70 degrees. West wind about 3 to 7 miles per hour. For Sunday, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Some songs produce heavy rain, mostly sunny skies, but high near 93 degrees, chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 5 a.m. Some of the storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog after 4 a.m. Otherwise, most of the skies will lower at 70 degrees, chance of precipitation is 30%. Monday, a chance of showers and patchy fog before 8 a.m. Otherwise, partly sunny skies and high near 88 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Monday night, mostly cloudy skies with a low on 68 degrees. Tuesday, mostly sunny skies high near 88 degrees. Tuesday night, partly cloudy skies with a low on 68 degrees. Wednesday, a chance of showers, partly sunny skies with a high near 88 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday night, a chance of showers, partly mostly cloudy skies with a low on 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. And Thursday, a chance of showers, mostly cloudy skies with a high near 86 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Peters, what a phrase of the day. Ace. Hot stretch on tap for today and continue tomorrow. This is PJ Wiggins. Have a good day with a good positive attitude and a good evening.